Welcome back. This is the IP-208 planer from BAILEIGH Industrial. This machine is powered by a 5 horsepower, 3.7 kilowatt motor. The service requirements on here are 220 single phase, so it can fit in any shop. Let's look at the table a little bit closer. The working area on this machine is 20-inch or 508 millimeters. We've got an extended table on here, 55-inch or 1400 millimeters. The extended table assures that we'll keep the board nice and flat. We actually have a real nice cast iron frame on top and bottom. That reduces vibration. The actual height of this machine, maximum height, is 8-inch or 200 millimeters. The adjustment on that is simply by turning this hand wheel. There's a nice scale on the side and some lockdowns. The drive system on here has 2 driven friction rolls. There is a 2-speed transmission as well. Now let's take this top guard off and look at the blade system a little bit better. All right, here we are at the head. I've taken off the guard so we can get a little closer look at this knife system. This knife system has 4 blades as standard. This is a straight blade. We also do offer a helical spiral carbide system where you can turn the carbides 4 times. If you look at the dust port system, it's a 5-inch dust port. Right here we've made this extra large compared to those 4-inch. Just when you're doing softwoods, we don't want this to be the bogging point. Now that we've looked at that blade head, let's look at 2 final features. We've got rollers on the top, so when you're done planing, you can just stick them on top and go back to your next board. On the bottom of this machine, there's nice rollers, so it's showing that this machine is portable. You can roll it around anywhere in your shop. So this is the IP-208 planer from BAILEIGH Industrial. If you want to